Hey guys, I know a lot of people ask me like, how do you do your makeup? What do you do with your hair? Show us your clothes. I don't know. Things like that. But you know what? I might as well knock all those out right now and just do like a get ready with me video, you know? So if you guys are new, make sure to click subscribe down below. Though I love not wearing makeup for you guys, I'm probably gonna hop in the shower, clean up real quick, and then I'll actually start my day, you know, for you. So I'm gonna go shower. I'll be right back. Oh my god. So I don't usually tend to like shampoo and condition my hair every time I'm in the shower just because it makes it like ultra puffy, but was a little overdue. I'm just waiting for the point that I can like brush it back and it'll stay, but right now I'm looking like Sonic the Hedgehog right now. My hair situation, there's not much that can happen there. Because my hair is getting to a good length now, I'm now getting my cowlicks back. So this like will not like stay down, like it won't. Like my hair is just all a mess and now I look bald on this side. Many things. You know, I'm working on it. I feel like a parrot. Really all just a waiting game at this point. I have always struggled with having really bad acne. Right now it's getting a little better. I was on Proactive for over a year and it kind of ruined my face. Ooh, what if I close this? Oh my god. I stopped using Proactive probably at the same time my hair thing happened because I was just so over like using all chemicals. I'm like becoming an all natural person now. It's great. What you guys didn't see because I did my face routine kind of in the shower, but I'm using Cetaphil now. I invested in a ton of cotton pads and I use this pore perfecting toner. That's just CVS brand and it's 100% natural witch hazel. Then I give that like 2 seconds to dry and then I'll put a lotion on because my face gets really dry sometimes. Oh my god, I did put deodorant on. And actually right before I had the idea to film this, I already brushed my teeth, so bummer. You guys don't get to watch that. So I have the same set of, I have the Cetaphil lotion actually too. Because you know what, you might as well get all from the same brand just to see if it really works or not, you know, that's my theory. I have been trying really hard to grow in my eyebrows. Here, I'll show you guys. Okay, so, oh my god, my face looks so bad right now. Okay, I'm trying to grow in my eyebrows so that I can just like really start over. So right now, this is like the worst little transition time ever. It all goes towards a better purpose in the long run, you know? So I really don't know much about makeup, so I'm just gonna do my basic makeup routine right now, and then see where we go from there. So we're starting fresh. We're covered up, we're a blank canvas. I'm not as hype as usual, first off because it's morning for me, and second because the door is closed and it's really echoey in here. She ain't going nowhere. Let's put some eyebrows on. How do we look? Thick, she thick. Now that I can express myself and everyone can see that on my face, we gonna do some contour. Try to make it look like I don't just have a fat face, you know what I'm saying? I got cheekbones, okay? Thin my nose out a little bit. I love makeup. That's her. There she is. Little highlight. Ooh, oh yeah. Okay, so eyeballs. I'm gonna be using Lunatick Cosmetics. Ooh. Look at this, it's a little coffin. R.I.P. to my heart and soul every day. Little pinks first, do a little reds. Oh my god, who is she? I'm just gonna darken it, put a little underneath. I look so edgy. I look like I'm gonna fight someone. Unfortunately, there were some casualties while doing my makeup. I'm just gonna take a Q-tip. I learned not to just like wipe your makeup into your face, okay? I actually take a Q-tip and I like roll it. Like I roll it in my fingers as I'm like at the spot, so we just kind of like, oh yeah. Now let's do some, gotta go for that liquid eyeliner. Basically the same on both sides, yeah. This is a win. Not bad, not bad. I really just use a basic like L'Oreal mascara. Let's do it. Everything is basically coated once, but this is what we got. Because I'm going to be taking pictures today, I'm probably going to put on some fake eyelashes for y'all. And, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. What a bad idea. Wow, that was the first time I did that the first time. Oh hey guys, where'd you come from? Gotta put some lipstick on, just, you know, to make sure everyone knows that I have lips. I guess we're done. Am I missing anything? Did I forget something? Let's choose my outfit, shall we? I'm not gonna show you guys everything for the clothes that I got because I'm gonna be doing a lookbook next. You guys are getting a whole new angle of my room. Let's see what I got. Okay, so these are all clothes. Let's play it safe and only cut the corner. I'm really excited. Here, you guys can have like a little sneak peek. Okay, that's it. Okay. But I do want to wear these today. Oh, I'm just holding this so terribly. So these are the pants that I got today that I just showed you. It has a cute little bow right here. Ooh, I like them. I like them. But I'm also just wearing a simple bandeau top. Just to, you know, keep it simple, make me feel skinny while I wear these ginormous pants. And yeah, that's it. I look naked. Oh my god. Thank you guys so much for watching my Get Ready With Me video. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure to click subscribe, and you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter and all my other fun social medias because everything's the same exact username. And I will see you guys next time, hopefully for my next video. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'll see you guys next time. Bye!